Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is the second lecture for geography for class 7th, and the topic is atmospheric pressure. Dear students, as you are aware about the fact that air above us presses us with a great force on our bodies. However, we don't even feel it. This is because the air presses us from all directions and our body exerts a counter pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? Air pressure or atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface. Air pressure or atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface. As we go up the layers of atmosphere, the pressure falls rapidly. The air pressure is highest at sea level and decreases with height. So what is air pressure? Air pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface. As we go up, this air pressure goes on decreasing while we go up from the sea level. The pressure rapidly falls. The air pressure is highest at the sea level and decreases with the height. Wind. The movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called as wind. The movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called as wind. What is wind? The movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called as wind. You can see wind at work as it blows dry leaves down the pavement or uproots trees during a storm. We can feel the air, we can feel the wind, we can see the wind by when it is blowing very fast as a storm, it uproots the trees. Sometimes when the wind blows gently, you can even see it blowing away smoke or fine dust. At times, wind can be so strong that it is difficult to walk against it. Winds can be broadly divided into three types. At many times, wind can be so strong that it is difficult to walk against it. Winds can be broadly divided into three types: permanent winds, seasonal winds, and local winds. What are permanent winds? The trade winds, westerlies, and easterlies are the permanent winds. These blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. The winds which blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction are called as permanent winds, and the direction of these winds is from western side to eastern side. These are called permanent winds. Seasonal winds. These winds change their direction in different seasons. For example, monsoons in India, southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. So, what are seasonal winds? The winds which change their direction in a particular season are called as seasonal winds. For example, monsoons in India, southwest monsoons and northeast monsoons are the examples of these seasonal winds. Local winds. These blow only during a particular period of the day or a year in a small area. What are local winds? The winds which blow during a particular period of a day or a year or in a small area are called as local winds. For example, land and sea breeze. The hot and dry local winds of northern plains is called Lu, Bora, Chinook, and Khamsin. These are the examples of local winds. So, what are permanent winds? The winds that blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction are called as permanent winds. These have the direction from western side to eastern side. The seasonal winds, these are the winds that change their direction in different seasons. For example, monsoons in India, southwest monsoons and northeast monsoons. Local winds are those winds that blow only during a particular period of a day or a year in a small area are called as local winds. For example, land and sea breezes. The hot and dry local winds of northern plains is called Lu, Bora, Chinook, and Khamsin. So this was about atmospheric pressure, and the wind and the types of the winds. This is all for today. Thank you very much.